Well, this part of the video, what I'm showing you is I've put the box together. I glued it, I screwed it, I puttied it, and it's basically put together at this point, ready for the next step. I hope you enjoy these videos. I made the box for the Valance for Sawyer's room. Now, remember, it's Building with Papa. You can send me your information. Please like the video, subscribe, and if you would like to see something that you would like to build, email me at buildingwithpapa, all one word, at gmail.com, and I will put a video together for you that will show you exactly what to do with the project that you would like. Okay? Again, Building with Papa. See you in the next one.